ka naman bilang isang estudyante, siguro nangamuti ka na naman ngayon. Kasi, pinagsagot ka ni sir, pero hindi mo alam ang isasagot mo. But you are willing to learn. Yung nga lang, medyo pasaway ka sa klase, kaya ayan, pag may quiz, lupay-pay. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Pag-usapan muna natin ngayon ang isang mathematical problems, lalong-lalo na sa pagdating sa equations. Ang ating pong tatalakayin ay tungkol po sa the general form of the equations of the circles. Ano nga ba ang equations of the circles na to? So the general form of the equations of the circle, it is in the form of ax squared plus by squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. But we have also to remember that a must not be equals to 0. Ulitin ko, a must not be equals to 0. It can be negative or it can be positive, but never become a value of 0. Okay, let me give you this example. We are going to give the general form of the equation of quantity x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals to 4. Now, how are we going to solve for such equations? Our problem is to rewrite the equation in the form of general form. Ano po yan? It's just simple. Napakadali lang. Okay, first and foremost, we have first to perform the indicated operations within the given equations. No matter what kind of operations do we have on that particular equations, perform muna natin yung equations na lang. How? Okay. Our equations kanina ay x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 3 squared is equals to 4. Okay, I have copied it. Kaya lang, dito sa left side, I have two terms. Sa right side, I have one term, which is the constant, which is equals to number 4. So, kinulayan ko po yung x minus 2 squared ng color blue, and the other one is red as y minus 3 squared. May purpose po yun kung ba't kinulayan. Isang purpose po dun, para hindi po tayo malito kung ano po bang sinusolve natin. That is just for my opinion only. That is for my opinion. Kasi mas madali tayo makapag-solve pag na-identify natin kung ano po ba ang sinusolve natin. So, I have it. Ang ibig sabihin nito, x minus 2 squared is we're going to multiply the number by itself, or we're going to double the number by itself. Kadalasan ang ginagamit po natin dito na operations is FOIL method. Ulitin ko, FOIL method. Pero at this time, we will not use that method. Ang gagamitin ko po yung short form, shortcuts. So, ito lamang po yun. Meron akong 3 rules to find for the square of x minus 2. First rule, I have to double the first term, and that is equals to x times x, that is equals to x squared. Then, second rule, I have to multiply the exponent inside the parentheses, and that is equals to 2 times x times negative 2, that is equals to negative 4. Then I have to double the last term, that is equals to negative 2 times negative 2, that is equals to positive 4. Likewise, ganun din po ang gagawin natin dito. So, shortcut na po natin. That is equals to y times y, that's y squared. 2 times negative 3 times y, that is equals to negative 6y. And 3 times 3, that is equals to positive 9. Why positive 9? Negative times negative is always equals to positive. When we multiply like sign, the answer is always negative. No matter what kind of sign that we have in multiplying assigned numbers, basta magkaparehas lagi pong positive yung sagot. Pero kung magkaiba, the answer is always negative. Then that is equals to 4. Now, After we have expanded the given expressions, ang kasunod po natin gagawin is to eliminate or remove the symbols. If we have brackets, we have parentheses, we have braces, we have to remove for that symbol for us to perform the operations that is needed for the given expressions. So, ibababa ko lang sila lahat. We have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then the operation, we have plus. Then I have y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. So, anong ginawa ko? Tinanggal ko lamang po yung parentheses. What is the purpose? For us to eliminate the numbers na posible pang ma-eliminate. Okay, ito na po sila. Then, kinopya ko po, just drop down x squared minus 4x. Then, yung 4 plus 9 ay naging 13. So, x drop down, then minus 6y. Again, 4 plus 9, that is equals to 13. Yung 4 na nasa labas, ipinasok ko sa loob ko, naging 4. So, anong nangyari? We have no x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y plus 13 minus 4 will become x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y plus 9. That is our general form of the given equations earlier, which is equals to quantity x minus 2x squared plus quantity y minus 3 squared equals to 4. In short, our final answer is x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. Our A is 1, our B is negative 4, our D is 1, our E is negative 6, and our F is equals to positive 9. Okay, let's have another example. In this case, we're going to find